Hey everyone, great news today for the options traders. The market is finally on the move. As we can see on the daily chart of SPY, it dropped over $6 today. And what's even more important is that the volatility is finally showing an upwards trend. Currently, the IB rank is sitting at 13.2. If we jump over to the VIX, we can see that it is also increasing, and that's good news for us. I personally like the VIX to be up above 25, between 25 and 30. Once it goes above 30, then it is getting a little bit too risky, too heated, which is also no good. And what we also need to pay attention to is the skew. The skew measures the probability of outlier movement, and as we can see, it did go up all the way to 120 today from the lows of 112. It's still relatively low, so there is nothing to worry about. Once it goes above 140, that's when we're going to have to be very, very mindful of potential big swings, and that can really hurt any trader, not just options traders. So let's talk about my trade number 225. For those of you who are new to my channel, I document one of my options trades every single day, and I sold a strangle against AA, which is Alcoa. So I sold the February 45.65 strangle, and I collected the capital that it requires is only $535, so that's a really, really good potential return on investment. If we jump over to the daily chart, we can see over here on the horizontal lines the $45 mark and the $65 mark, so I am quite comfortable with this trade. In fact, because the earnings, by the time I'm doing this recording, the earnings has already taken place. We can see that it's currently sitting around the 51.50, so that's absolutely perfect for me, right in the middle of my range, and I'm expecting to close this trade tomorrow with a nice profit. I also managed to close a couple of my other trades. One of them was Micron Technology. I placed this trade on the 4th of January, and I sold a short strangle, 45.62 and a half strangle, and I collected $1.30 premium. Once again, the capital requirement was pretty low, and today I closed it at $1.15 for a nice annualized profit of 344%. And the other one that I closed today was GameStop. I once again sold a strangle against this one, a 12.50 and 45 strangle. So the 12.50 is obviously the put side and 45 is the call side. And I collected 98 cents credit for it, and I was able to close it at 45 cents, and that equates to 270% annualized profit. So both of these turned out really well. I didn't have to hold them for long, therefore the annualized profit is quite healthy. The third trade that I did was an adjustment on my QQQ position. This is one of those trades that I'm keeping forever, and because QQQ dropped today, if we jump over to the platform, we can see on the daily chart that it dropped $3.50 today. So what I did is I had the 300 call option and the 255 put option, and I lowered my call option down to 297, so a little bit closer to the current price, and I collected an additional 44 cents credit. So currently I have almost $17 credit in this deal, and my position is 255 put and 297 call. So this is one of those trades that I'm keeping forever. I don't have the intention to close it, as it keeps my portfolio at a nice balance. The good news is that the IV rank on this one is also creeping up, just like in the case of SPY. So that's all good news for options traders. So this wraps up my trade number 225. Once again, it was a pure earnings play against AA, and most likely I'll be able to close it tomorrow. So keep your eyes out for this video. And if you liked it, if you find it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and spread the word. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.